J-10 Vigorous Dragon multirole tactical fighter. The structure of the aircraft was based on a tailless delta, triangular planform wing, 4 planes and a swept-back vertical tail. There are 2 fixed, outwardly canted ventral on the underside of the body fins near the tail. The size and design of the J-10 are very similar to that of the Israeli Aircraft Industries Lavi fighter aircraft, which itself is similar to and derived technology from the USAF F-16 aircraft. The horizontal close-coupled foreplanes, larger than those on the Lavi on the forward fuselage, improve the takeoff and low-speed handling characteristics. The J-10 has 11 external hardpoints, 5 hardpoints on the fuselage with 1 on the centerline and a pair of hardpoints on each side of the fuselage and 3 hardpoints on each wing. The outer wing stations carry air-to-air missiles such as the Chinese-built Python 3 PL-8, P-11 or PL-12 or the Russian Ventral R-73, AA-11 Archer or R-77, AA-12 Adder. The PL-8 infrared homing short-range air-to-air missile, a variant of the Israeli Python 3 missile, was manufactured in China under a licensed production agreement by the China Academy, formerly the Luoyang Electro-Optics Technology Development Center. The PL-11 is a licensed manufactured variant of the MBDA Italy R-Spide medium-range air-to-air missile. Technology Development Center. The PL-11 is a licensed manufactured variant of the MBDA Italy R-Spide medium-range air-to-air missile. The PL-12 missile was manufactured in China under a collaborative agreement with Russia. It uses the Russian AA-12 Adder missile technology configured with a Chinese-developed rocket motor to give a range of 50 miles and speed of Mach 4. The aircraft can be armed with laser-guided bombs, the anti-ship YJ-8K or C-801K solid rocket-powered missiles, the C-802 land attack and anti-ship turbojet-powered missiles manufactured by Cheda, and the YJ-9 anti-radiation missile. A 23mm cannon is installed internally on the port side of the forward section of the fuselage above the nose wheel. The aircraft can be fitted with a forward-looking infrared and laser target designator pod, which supports deployment of laser and satellite navigation-guided weapons. Cockpit. The aircraft has a digital fly-by-wire flight control system and HOTAS, hands-on throttle and stick control on which the pilot has every control for combat incorporated into the 2 handholds. Cockpit displays include a helmet-mounted weapon sight, a wide field of view head-up display and 1 full-color and 2 monochrome liquid crystal multifunction displays. The avionics are served by a 1553B. The aircraft is equipped with tricycle-type landing gear. The nose unit has twin heels and retracts rearwards, and the main units retract forward. The aircraft has a drogue parachute for landing. The J-10 can fly at a maximum speed of 2,327 km per hour at high altitudes and has service ceiling of 18,000 m. The range and combat radius of the aircraft are 1,850 km and 550 km respectively. The aircraft weighs around 9,750 kg and has a maximum takeoff weight of 19,277 kg.